How are you all? Hope you all are healthy. So students, I am your English ma'am Urmil Joshi from Arden Progressive School. So students, we are doing our revision work of literature. So today I will discuss you with the second chapter, that is the Magic Garden. So beta, first I will tell you the summary of the story. What is the summary? Summary means in short the story we listen. So in this story there was a magic garden in a school playground and there were so many flowers, different kinds of flowers were there. 5 kinds of flowers were there: marigold, roses, sunflowers, pansies and poppies, and they all were happy there. And they, one sunny morning, they all were talking with the birds. Tiny birds were also there and they all were talking that they all are happy there. And the little gardeners, those were the children, they came there and every morning they come there and they water the plants or their thirsty roots daily, and they also give food to birds also. So they thought birds and the flowers, they all want to be happy there, and with the children also they want to make some flower dresses also. So that the way their fairies also come to dance with their with them and sang song also. So this is the story of a magic garden where everyone is happy and they all were waiting for the next morning when the fairies will come and when they all will dance and they will sing song. So this was the story of the magic garden. That was really a magic garden, like there were so many flowers, 5 kinds of flowers were there: roses, sunflowers, marigolds, poppies and pansies. So here I have written one question to all of you. The practice worksheet number 2, and the first question is from the story itself. You have to write true whether the statement is true and false whether the statement is false. So you all know the story of this magic garden. So first sentence is, the magic garden was in a party hall. I have written the statement that the magic garden was in a party hall. So is it true? No, because the magic garden was in the school playground. So this statement is false. So you can put the mark also and you can write false also. False. Spelling also you can write here. And the second statement is, there were 10 kinds of flowers. So is this statement is true? No, there were only 5 kinds of flowers. 5 प्रकार के फूल थे वहाँ: roses, marigold, sunflowers, poppies and pansies. So this statement is also false. And the third statement is, the flowers were talking to the birds. So it is true or it is wrong? It is true, because the flowers one sunny morning they all were talking with the birds. So this statement is also true. ये statement क्या है आपका? True है. After that, the fourth one is, the children were loved by birds and flowers. So in this statement, here is written, the children were loved by birds and flowers. So it is true, because the flowers and the birds like the children, because the children were the little gardeners. They watered the plants, they watered the flowers, and they give food also, bread also to birds. So this statement is also true. Fifth one statement is, the children could hear the sounds of ghosts in the magic garden. So which sound the children hear there? The children hear the sound of fairies, not ghosts. So this statement is also false, because they all could hear the sound of the fairies. And the last statement is, birds were the gardeners in the magic garden. So birds were not the gardeners. Who were the gardeners? The children were the gardeners. So this statement is false. ये statement कैसे है? False है. This is the false statement because the children were the little gardeners. कौन थे माली वहां पर? बच्चे थे. Those. So this was the first question I have explained you. After that, the second question I am telling you. Second question is, you have to write the correct spelling. You have to correct the spelling. Second is, correct the spellings. Here I have written some wrong spellings. You have to correct them. आपको उनको क्या करना है? Correct करना है. So you all should know the correct spellings. आपको इसके लिए correct spellings पता होनी चाहिए. So first one is Littal. So this is the wrong spelling of little. So how you will write it? Little. Little. Second is Pretty. Pretty. You can pronounce it pretty, but the spelling is wrong. So how you will write it? Pretty. Pretty. Attractive. Next is Gardun. You can pronounce this word garden, but the spelling is wrong here. How you will write it? Garden. Garden. Like this you will write garden. Next is Childran. Children. So again, this spelling is wrong. You have to write Child, child, Ren, children. Next is Faire. So again, fairy. This spelling is wrong. How you will write it? Fairy, fairy. The last word is Happy. Happy. So this spelling is also wrong. So how you will write this spelling? Happy. Happy. And this is the correct spelling. So like this you have to correct the spellings and you have to learn these spellings correctly. So the third question is, write the parts of flowers. So you all know that we are also having so many parts in our body. Like this, flowers are also having parts. So today I am telling you the parts of the flower. कितने भाग होते हैं flower के? So like this, you will draw a flower in your notebook, in your literature notebook, and you will write the names of the parts of the flower. So like this is the flower. So you will write Flower, flower. This is the part of a flower, flower. And the second is, this is the branch, branch, branch. In the branch, there are so many leaves. So this is the part, leaf. So leaf make the food for the plant with the help of chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. Sunlight की presence में leaf क्या करती हैं? With the help of chlorophyll, they prepare food for the flower. And this is stem. It gives support to stem. ये क्या करता है stem? तना जिसे कहते हैं, ये support करता है flower को सीधा खड़ा रखने में. And at last, this is the root of the flower. Roots of the flower, from where it gets nutrition. जहाँ से ये पोषण प्राप्त करता है, and we water the plants in the roots. And in this chapter also, the children gives water to the thirsty roots of the plant or flower. So like this, roots, we water the roots, and roots gives nutrition to the flower. And this is the stem. it gives support to the flower to stand straight. सीधा खड़ा करने में इसको help करता है. And the branches gives partition to the leaves, and this is leaf, and the leaf prepares food for the plant with the help of chlorophyll and in the presence of sunlight. And this is the flower. So like this you will draw a flower, marigold flower and sunflower flower, and you will write the parts of the flowers. So, and you will learn the spellings of also of the parts, and you will draw it in your literature notebook. So take care. Goodbye.